Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, whether or not you're seeing this video today, or you're seeing it at a later date, big up all mothers for a special day like this. But first and foremost, let me say this: every day is Mother's Day, and we celebrate the life of the life givers on a daily basis, whether or not they are with us on this physical plane. Now, viewers and subscribers, Gaza Nation has officially been launched. There's no artist to be compared with Vybz Kartel and no dancehall camp to be compared with the Gaza Nation. As a matter of fact, we're going to look on a small snippet and then we're going to continue reasoning. Look and listen. Live from Ghana. As a matter of fact, big up Botswana, big up Uganda, big up the entire continent of Africa. It's fully Gaza. It is fully Gaza. Reggae and dancehall music is definitely a very influential genre of music in Africa. And you know them have Afrobeat, and it even got farther than that. Them have indigenous music. Yeah, remember the drums, the kete drum. The kete drum is a drum from Africa. Even the way it is assembled the same way in Jamaica as it is assembled in Kenya, Ghana, Botswana. You name any one of the places who use the kete drum. Now, viewers and subscribers, we are pointing out this: as an artist, Vybz Kartel and his contribution to the dancehall genre has been unmatched thus far. The creativity of Vybz Kartel bring to the dancehall genre is unmatched thus far. Now, we talk about musical camps, fan base, supporters of the artists and the artists' music and the movement. Remember days of the Alliance, when the Alliance was the biggest group in dancehall music history. We can say that. Now, Gaza Nation will be added to the history books as the biggest music camp in Jamaica. I'm not just talking about dancehall, we are talking about dancehall and reggae. Because we don't know no fan base for any artist other than Bob Marley that is bigger than the fan base for Vybz Kartel. And you know the something go, the same fans of Vybz Kartel are the fans of Bob Marley. Same Bob Marley fans, some of them are fans of Vybz Kartel. You know, they have the whole reggae revival scene. And no, this is not a comparison between Bob and Vybz Kartel. R.I.P. Bob. Bob is no longer with us. Bob's contributions to world music has never been matched. Father Bob that. We not try to. We not have some sense when not to the reasoning. No, this is not a comparison. But we are saying, look at this. Gaza Nation is a worldwide phenomenon. We have Guyana Gaza. We have the North American Gaza Nation. Teacher did already tell us, say, when we go to Toronto, place like Edmonton, ask Jaden Finch them. A Gaza Nation Canada say. Ask anybody over there. Call Toronto. Call Ontario. You name the places. Call Mississauga. Gaza Nation them still say over there. Now, as we are saying with a musical camp, we have never seen this. We have never seen an artist and his supporters gain a voice that is heard worldwide, viewers and subscribers. Worldwide. The teacher never called Ghana and say, yo, print up them flyers, they print up them posters, they make that poster. No. And when we see the action taking place, we are saying, but wait, support sure in the motherland. And we have to highlight it. We had to highlight it, viewers and subscribers. Some people who attack, some artists who have actually, I don't know if I've seen here, but between 2019 and probably the early parts of 2020 have visited Africa. We see them go over there. And yes, we see fans come out and show them some support, because remember, dancehall music is home to multiple artists. Meaning, say, you have lots of famous Jamaicans doing dancehall and reggae. So no doubt when them going to any international country, them know the sound, them know the music, they know the artist. It's not saying that when them go over them country and perform, them now get You know what I mean? Great reviews. I am saying they're not in the league of Vybz Kartel. Neither is their musical camp. Because we know, artists, we can create separation. The teacher is there, and the other artists are one heap of steps below. Now we can say this too about the music camp, the supporters. Gaza Nation is the biggest dancehall and reggae music group there ever is. Or there ever was, for better choice of words. But we just have to say it's because we are talking with present tense. We're not seeing other music group to do it on the level. As a matter of fact, there's no other outspoken music group, a group of supporters like the Gaza Nation. Yeah, I'm telling you, as a matter of fact, some people didn't feel like say, yo, with the teacher being behind the bars, it would have been the end for his music career, his endeavors, and even his supporters, they were thinking over time would dwindle. Meaning say, over time them that depreciate. You have less and less people as a Gaza. Some people even speculated that, remember my friend, and they must say them on the bus recently with a empress. They must say, yo, a young age empress. And they must say she got something for pay. And him look upon her finger and she'd have Gaza upon her finger. He must say him surprised. See somebody of fair age group still a tattoo Gaza. And me I say no. Me I say she don't have nobody, she don't really reason with the tattoo artists themselves. People still are forwarding now for Gaza tattoo. Same way. With the teacher being behind the bars for the amount of years that he has now been behind the bars. No slow down. Check the charts, what dominate? Teacher same way. Go find who the people them still want to see. Are the teacher same way? Who aspiring artists still want to be featured with? The same teacher. Nothing has changed except his physical presence on a dancehall stage near you. But when we talk about audio recordings, tracks, when we look at the charts, them say numbers don't lie. When we look at the views, streams, the playbacks, Vybz Kartel is still leading miles. While some other artists still are jog. But anytime they are presented with the opportunity to do an interview, them talk big. Like say, yeah man, we are carry dancehall on our back. And what they bring dancehall go to Florida. I'm like Mov and Alka them, like we talk like say them a bring dancehall to an international crowd. No, nah, bring dancehall to no international crowd. Everybody who you perform for were already fans of dancehall music. And me I say that I'm without bias. I doubt they have created any white fans who have never heard of dancehall music to start gravitate to dancehall music. Majority of the people who turn out to these performances, to these shows held overseas were already fans. And if they were not fans of the music, the person who is bringing them, the person who invited them, were already fans. So I saw them get to reach in at the venue. And like Vybz Kartel, where some people say, no, you know, say, at the first me I hear million of the artists from nowhere, and we don't really know dancehall music like that. We have seen people what remember dancehall at one point in time dominated the whole world. But as other genres of music created or established their dominance, they were less and less fans. Do not get anything twisted. You have more people worldwide who listen to hip hop and R&B than they listen to dancehall and reggae. And the truth, no people not gonna like to hear it, but the truth, why you think these artists for these genres can have the millions, can have the accolades what the reggae and dancehall artists don't have? The amount of people who show up to these festivals, show up to these big performances, these concerts, they do half the crowd we are turning out in Amazura and Queens for any dancehall artist. You know, say a festival Europe go. A 3-day Europe party when them a party. 3-day festival, 4-day festival. I saw them go to work. And reggae is more established in Europe than dancehall music. Ask anybody who go to Europe, go spend time, who resides there, anything of that nature. Reggae is more established in Europe than dancehall music. A facts. A facts. So you have people there who are still somewhat slightly new to dancehall music. The teacher has done so. The teacher has brought dancehall to some ears who have never heard dancehall music. And being the king of the genre, the lyrical king, the flow king, the cadence king, the rhyme king, the concept king. Him give them songs where them say, yeah, you know what? Dancehall music is not a gimmick. You have some people have dancehall music as a gimmick. We just make music for girls dance and shake. No! We tell stories. We convey emotion. And we also give a voice to the voiceless. Cause everybody in the ghetto can come on TV and come tell you what life is like for them. And a true artists and their music will know what life is like in the ghetto. So artists of dancehall music give voice to the voiceless. Voice to the one called Jaden Chase. The dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I am reminding you now. If you're new to the movement and new to the channel, you just pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. Like icon did it too. So from a live page of a like on the blog in true, share icon in close proximity. You can tell a friend, but tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and join the discussion via the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.